Choose Handheld Rapid Scan model. Build or open project in corresponding mode. Then choose accuracy and texture according to your needs. To know about how to adjust the brightness, please refer to Handheld HD Scan. Press Start button on the scanner to start scanning. Please keep scanning continuously at a constant speed. If tracking loss happens during scanning, you can scan the parts that have already been scanned. Wait for several seconds. It will align automatically, and then you can continue scanning. After your scan is finished, you can delete unwanted part and generate grading, and save it in the format you need.